Welcome to Module 3. In this Module 3, we'll be talking about software operations and AI smart functions in CCTV control room. This module is very important because as a CCTV operator, you'll be sitting down and you'll be operating different software applications depending on what your office is using or what your surveillance room is using. They will be using some popular brands like Hikvision to show you and other software in the industry. This module will cover how CCTV software operates and the role of AI in enhancing surveillance. We'll explain it to you briefly. Okay, so we have to introduce you to IVMS or VMS. So VMS means Video Management System. It's a software used to monitor, look at the keyword, monitor, it can record, and it can manage. So monitor in the sense that you can watch on it. You can, for instance, you have a system now, you can pick one camera and monitor it on your own screen of your computer, that's of your VMS software. Watch it because it's actually a software that is running on a computer. Whereas your big screen, they're all in your front. You can monitor the video, you can record on that same your system, and you can manage it, the CCTV footage, as you can copy out footages from the software and analyze it for investigation purposes. It allows live viewing, that you can view camera feeds live. You can have access to real-time camera feeds. It also allows recording and playback. You can record on that VMS and you can play back stored footage from it. You can also do remote access to the VMS software. You can monitor camera from anywhere in the world via apps or web platform. Alright? You can just log into the app from anywhere and check your cameras because they have that features. They are a server. They're like a recording server on their own. They have AI integration. They support features like motion detection and facial recognition and a lot more. We cannot mention all of them here. All the features that we have on those our camera, line crossing detection, people counting, you can analyze them, you can set them on your VMS software. You can explore them more on your VMS software. All those AI features, people counting, you can access and configure and set them up, better on your software because software and hardware, which is your camera, interface better since they are from the same manufacturers and they are licensed application. But they have free version that comes with the camera, but you can scale up. You can add, you can buy a higher license if you want more features. All right. So we have SADP tool. SADP means Search Active Device Protocol. It's a proprietary protocol. If you say proprietary, if they say anything is proprietary, it means that it's from the manufacturer of that product. For instance, Hikvision made these tools proprietary to their product. So it only detects only their product, which is their camera, their DVR, their NVR, their access control, their decoders, all their products. You can detect it. So if you have a huge network of over 200 cameras, 300 cameras, 500 cameras, you cannot start managing them one after the other. You need a tool that will discover all the cameras and show you all of them. Then from here, you can assign IP address, you can check their port number, you can check their software version number, which is a firmware. You can check their IP address, their gateway, their ports, the serial number. The serial number will give you an idea of the name, device type, DS K56761ZU. This will tell you, oh, this is a device like this. Oh, this one, DS9016HUHI. Oh, this is a DVR. Oh, all right, this is a DVR. Oh, this is a 4K, 5K high resolution. So with the model number, you can tell. So with this SADP, you can monitor, you can see all devices on your network, but it's just for Hikvision products. So if your organization, for instance, is using another kind of cameras, they will have their own software. Dahua has its own software, their own searching tool. All right. So, but there is a software called Advanced IP Scanner. You can Google it. As a matter of fact, you should Google it and try and check it on your phone and read about it. It's just like this tool, like this SADP, but it's open to every software It can detect anything on your network, any IP address, and scan, all the network IP address on your network and show you the IP address and their, other information about their MAC address. So as an admin person, you have to have a tools that you are familiar with to check and scan your network. So this for Hikvision products. You can check that advanced IP scanner for other brands and other products. It's very important. Then this is IVMS for the 200. It's still by Hikvision product. It basically, hacked at the server. They call their own intelligent video management software. It's a server that helps to manage, record, analyze, playback, monitor, do some smart functions for a camera. It's a window-based software. You can download it. They have for Mac, they have for Windows. You run it on your computer and you can discover any Hikvision product on your network. You can add them, you can view them on your system. Right? So it's very important to understand this. Then most manufacturers have their own software also. So you have to know that, okay, any brand you're working with, they have their software. For Hikvision product is IVMS. All right. So also for remote viewing, they have different software for viewing your camera from anywhere in the world. As a matter of fact, every manufacturer have their own special software. So you need to understand that, I I have this product, check their manual, check their guide, and get the software that works with their product to not have problem. So as a CCTV operator, you have to have all this information. You have to be very equipped. So once you enter your workplace or your field of work or you are conversing among your peers, you should have an edge. That is the essence of this course. So you can have there can be like a clear difference between a trained operator and a quack or somebody that just sitting down and watching screen. That's beyond. That is your work is beyond. Is more than that. All right. So that's the essence of this training. All right. So we have third-party VMS software. This is a VMS software. What is a VMS software? VMS means video management software that basically used to manage videos. But this particular one is from another manufacturers called Milestone. Milestone is a big brand when it comes to video softwares. They just make video softwares and they sell it to camera manufacturers or camera, integrator or installers or professionals, right? So there are a lot of them in the market. We have the VMS by Milestones, then we have this other one by Genius Vision. They too have their own software. This is their own software interface. So wherever you are working or wherever you are going to apply for work, they will have their system they are using, but they all work on the same principle. You have to know that the all same principle, all of them. You get, so we have to know. Because you can ask in an interview question, tell us about the VMS software you work with, because I'm going to be showing you practical of all these things. You can tell them, oh, I've worked with Hikvision, IVMS. I've worked with, Milestone by, that's a VMS by Milestone. I've worked with it. I've worked with this other one by Genius Vision, VMS by Genius. They will know that this person knows what he's saying, right? And that's an edge for you. But let it be practical, which we're going to be showing you, in this course. All right. Thank you very much. This is the end of this particular lesson. I'll see you in the next lesson.